Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer, and in this video I have a specific question for you. Imagine you have a customer and that customer asks you or your agents to call them back on the following number 0923. And now is the question, do you know which network that is? And if you don't, no worries, with CouponBet we can figure it out in a matter of seconds. So once you're on CouponBet, just log in on CouponBet. And once you are logged in, you will see here the dashboard. And the next what you need to do is you have to go to the tools section. So you can see here the tools, we click on the tools tab and we can see every tool right now available that is very useful for any travel agency. But what we have to do is we have to scroll down to the bottom where we can find the provider prefix checker. And in here we can find any telecom operator that is active in the Philippines based on the prefix. So what we need right now is the prefix 0923. So we type in 0923 and there you are. You can see this is a Sun cellular phone number. So you know exactly now with which phone you need to call your customer. CouponBet helps your travel agency to be more organized and has tools to make sure that you have everything what you need to serve your customer better. So if you like this, and you like CouponBet and you want to organize your travel agency, go to couponbet.com and register for an account right away.